Hi, my name is Gevorg, and I'm the founder of Cadauto3D, a creative studio specializing in architectural visualization, interior design, 3D modeling, and custom 3D animations. We also create detailed drawings and technical visuals to help you develop your products and bring your ideas to life. I use professional tools like AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, 3ds Max, and Photoshop to deliver high-quality results. Our expertise includes architectural concepts, developing building designs tailored to your preferences, interior design, crafting comfortable and stylish spaces, 3D modeling, creating precise and detailed models for your needs, graphic and industrial design, producing visual solutions for presentations and production. Whether you need a 3D render, an animated logo, or precise drawings for your project, I approach every task individually and with attention to details. Let's create something amazing together.